Hi everyone, it's Bob from Greybeard Models. Welcome back to the channel. Um, right, first things first, um, I've reset the settings on the camera, um, and I'm hoping that will change the format of the sort of video. But the videos that I've shot prior to I've done this, excuse me, um, are in the previous format. Now, I don't know enough about photography to know how to sort of maybe correct the ones that I've already shot. Maybe they're a done deal and I can't do anything about it. But anyway, I've reset the settings on the camera. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll come out in a better image, if my understanding is correct. Anyway, that's that. Right, next bit. Right, so we're getting to the end of the Saracen build. And in fact, this is the final reveal, and it should be that's the video that I've shot of that might be in the right format, but it might not be. So you'll have to bear with me on this video. It's a transitional video, man. Anyway, enough of this waffle. Let's get over to the bench and have a look. Right, so we've got a coat of the what is it? Bronze green. I don't know. Getting old, you know, I'm forgetting all this stuff. So now what I'm doing is that's got a bronze green plus a gloss coat. That's got bronze green plus a gloss coat. Tools being hand painted at the moment. The Bren gun being hand painted, and the fire extinguishers being hand painted. And then what we'll be doing is once the sort of glossy coat is set on that, we'll put the decals on it, and then we'll seal it and do weathering and stuff. So that's as far as we've got now, and I'll come back to you in a second having done a load more work. Right, so we've got pretty much everything done. Got the decals on. The only problem I had with the decals was, well, they're old, so I did have some issues with it breaking down. On this decal here, the last digit, on this last digit broke up a bit, and the same with the oh, bring that back into shot, and the same with the rear number plate. That was, yeah, that just wasn't wanting to play. We've got the wheels are all done now. As you can see, I've painted the wheel nuts. That was actually fairly straightforward. I thought it was going to be more difficult. So the next thing to do is going to be to let's get that in the middle. There you go. So the next thing to do is just get the wheels on, and then it's a case of get the wheels on, do some weathering, and it's pretty much done. So I'll do that and then I'll come back. Right, so here we have it. This is really awkward because you can't really get a really good, well, at least I can't. You know what my photographic skills are like. But anyway, giving it a bit of weathering just to tone the green down. I do like the bronze green, but it's just, if it's too strong, I think I think it ends up looking like a dinky toy, because of its size. But anyway, there it is. That's the Ace. Mark II Saracen. I couldn't remember if it was Mark 1 or Mark 2. Yeah, interesting. There's one thing that I wasn't too sure about, was the fuel filter top there, or the fuel top. Not sure if they're not red, but anyway, it's green. Yeah, so there it is, 1/72. It's absolutely bloody tiny. It's absolutely tiny, excuse my French. And it was a good bit of fun to do, actually. So yeah, there it is. That's another one off the list, and we now move on to something else. But anyway, thanks for looking. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you found it interesting. I know a lot of people had actually said about ace models being difficult to build. I think was probably the word. I think it's probably to do with the quality of the moulding and the size. I had issues with some things. The size, definitely. The decals, yeah, definitely. But there you go, it's done. Now it's time to move on to something a little bit different. Anyway, I hope you liked it. If you did, put a like. If you haven't already, subscribe, and leave a comment. give me your opinion. What do you think? And I'll move on to the next one. See you on the next video. Bye for now.